Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm two-factor access so you won't get locked out. Once signed in, check the country or region listed under Account. Microsoft.com/profile and open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard in that same browser. This ensures cookies and session data match. Make sure any active redemptions are saved or used because region changes can affect available offers. Now, open Profile and Reward Settings to begin switching the region. Do not skip verification. Next, go to your account profile and choose Edit next to Country or Region. Change it to the desired location, then verify identity if prompted. This is how Microsoft ties rewards availability to region. After that, update your payment and billing addresses to match the new region because mismatched info can block redemptions. Once changes are saved, sign out of all devices and clear browser cache and cookies. Then sign back in so Rewards recognizes the new region and loads the correct offers. To finish, open Microsoft Rewards and verify that region-specific offers and catalogs reflect the new location. Sometimes you'll need to refresh or relaunch the browser. If points, redeemed items, or offers seem missing, take screenshots and contact Microsoft Account Support. Explain the region change, provide verification, and request propagation help. Make sure to allow up to 24 to 48 hours for all services to update. And if problems persist after that, repeat cache clearing and support escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.